Hello everybody and welcome to my channel, and today we're doing this awesome recipe which is an artistic salad which looks like flowers. I think everybody will enjoy this. Subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. First of all, you'll need to grate cheese. I'm only using 150 grams. 3 hard-boiled eggs, also grated. Add the cheese in a bowl and the eggs. Also, I add 1 cut garlic, 2 or 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise and mix it. I'm cutting my cherry tomatoes into 4s or more and taking out the insides with a teaspoon. I'm only using 400 grams of cherries. And I'm using my filling to fill the cherries. This way it looks like a flower. I'm using a yellow pepper, which I'll take out the insides. The leftover filling, fill it with the pepper. And now let's plate it. First the pepper, then the onion feathers, and the filled cherries that look like flowers. Add some parsley at the bottom. And this is the result. It looks amazing and tastes even better. Subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos.